Parental involvement is undisputedly a key aspect of education. Health sciences has excelled in designing a unique learning experience for underserved students by creating internship programs and helping students develop applicable 21st century job skills. However, effectively connecting families to this unique educational experience has been historically a challenge for the school. Therefore, I am proposing to expand the existing Parent Academy model that currently exists at HSHMC and offer more parent training nights with food and childcare provided in order to teach parents digital skills. While assessing the needs of health sciences, I found that the school currently has Chromebooks, laptops, and iPad carts in every classroom, and all classes have an online component through Haiku Learning Management System, creating a truly blended learning experience. So it's clear that HSHMC students and teachers are competent in technology literacy. But what about the parents and families of these students? Based on parent involvement online through website interaction, email, and online grading, it appears parents need training in how to feel confident using their digital skills. Parents need support and training not only to keep up with the technology terms, but also to understand education lingo. According to parent surveys, parents want to know what these changes in education mean. And we have a responsibility as educators to inform parents so that they can feel comfortable being involved. Schools and parents alike want students to achieve and learn the 21st century skills that will prepare them for future careers. However, if we expect students to possess these skills, then we also need to prepare students to support their student. Students are being taught in new ways, far different than how their parents were taught. And in order to have a balanced message between school and home, we need to help families understand and experience this new style of learning. Through parent academies, we can introduce mathematical problem solving using digital manipulatives to parents and then show them how to communicate with their student and the school staff through online grading programs and the learning management system. I'm proposing we host parent academies in the evening at least once a month, and we advertise these academies as a free way to learn new job skills. We provide food and childcare so families have less to worry about, and we provide time for parents to get to know each other and to get to know their student's teacher. Ideally, I would like to see these programs produce certificates of completion for parents and help them connect to potential employers by partnering with the San Diego Workforce Partnership, which is in our building. There are a lot of objectives for this program, but one really big one is to help our students gain access to technology and internet at home. By hosting parent events, we can help parents sign up for these programs. Co-founder Dr. Doug Fisher and School Technology Director Alex Gonzalez both indicated that they would like to see more families accessing these great programs. But despite their efforts of sending out flyers and posters, parents don't know about the program and don't know how to apply. So by having an in-person event, I hope to increase the participation in this program and help students gain access to the resources they really need at home. In addition to helping parents gain digital fluency, training events would also help strengthen the relationships between the staff, parents, and students. By providing a platform for parents to meet each other, they'll feel more supported and also may decide to join the parent leadership team. Hopefully, parents can become more comfortable with the school staff as well, making them more likely to communicate with the teachers when there's an issue concerning their student. By equipping parents with digital skills, they can then assist their student with their online studies, keep up with the announcements and assignments posted online, and check their students' progress. Once parents feel confident in their technology skills, they may even decide to assist in the classroom. Ultimately, the objective is to increase student achievement, and with the support of families, there's a much higher chance of accomplishing that. These are the measurable outcomes stated in the 2015-2016 LCAP for HSHMC on Goal 3, which is related to parent involvement. I'm confident that by expanding the parent academies, these outcomes will be met. In the 2014-2015 school year, Health Sciences increased the number of parent academies to 3 a year, and they were able to triple their parent involvement. So based on this evidence, I'm confident that by increasing the parent academies even more, we can reach our next goal of 40 to 45% parent involvement. In addition, this will lead to increased membership of the parent leadership team and parent involvement in extracurricular activities. According to Ed Code, parent involvement is fundamental and needs to be a key component in school planning. Section 51100 tells us that it's fundamental to a healthy system of public education, and it impacts pupil learning. Ed Code also states that parental involvement programs are a requirement, and that research supports that properly constructed parental involvement programs lead to greater student achievement. I decided to build 3 different options for this proposal in terms of budget in order to ensure that there's room for growth, but also a manageable budget. Health Sciences budgeted $47,000 to develop and host more parent events this year. So I believe we should start with the most conservative model to remain well under budget and allow for more expansion. I anticipate that this will require a minimum of 2 teachers and 1 technology staff member, around 20 hours to develop, plan, set up, host, clean up for each event. My figures are based on a $40 average hourly salary plus 10% for benefits cost. In order to be well staffed and supported during the event, I budgeted 8 student workers at $10 an hour for 4 hours each to assist with setup, childcare, technology troubleshooting, and then cleanup. I budgeted $355 for food and drinks to total $3,347 per event when the labor is reduced. To host 8 events, which would be roughly 1 per month, it will cost $26,776, leaving room in the budget for additional parent involvement ideas. I propose to start with this budget and monitor the progress and outcomes of the program by collecting data, then discussing the options for scaling up to more events with more faculty members in future school years. Thank you for your time, support, and consideration.